Hello guys, it's me San with you. Today I am here with you with a trending topic, Android and smartphones. As you all know, in the today world, Android and smartphones they all go hand in hand. But let's get to the history. Long time ago, there were companies like Samsung, Sony, Nokia. And at that time, the Nokia was the best company. But there were many problems related to Samsung, Sony and Nokia. They all have different operating system. So Google, which was the number one and also at that time, he thought that they should introduce a universal operating system that can be optimized in every phone and can be used by every user to fulfill its need. So Google talked to its best developer and that developer introduced the new operating system Android. But the name was given and it was the name that was given. The meaning of the and was that to function. You can perform 10 function or more at a time. But they they thought that this name doesn't suit to the technology, so they talked to another developer and he introduced a new name and he told that it should be the name that is given to it, that's Android. And at that time and was meaning of and was, like I have told you before, performing many functions at the same time. Droid in Android means closing the functions, like you can say multitasking. So the first Android in India came in the company Sony and the device name was Sony Xperia X8. It was equipped with very well functions and was developed. On the other hand, there was the company Samsung. Seeing the production of the Sony company, he thought he should introduce some new phones also. So he goes with the Windows phone, but that Windows phone didn't make their way in their market, so the Samsung falls down. Also, Nokia also didn't have any new OS, so he also fell down in the market. And at that time, Sony was on the top. But with the passage of time, Samsung realizes that there should be a need to begin a new market. So they bought the Android. They made a copyright of the Android and they started manufacturing Android phones in the market. And their market, you know, gets higher and higher than the Sony and was very successful. You can see the present time also. Now Google realizes that their technology are being used by the others and they are making names and the Google still is down. So now Google tries to make his own market by introducing the new phones. Google recently bought the Motorola company and has manufactured many phones like Moto G, Nexus 5, Moto X, and these are the perfect example of the stock Android, and these are sufficient to satisfy the user's need. So now I will give you a live demo of the Moto G phone with, and I will be explaining stock Android with the help of Moto G. So guys, here I am, Sang, with you with the demo of the Moto G. Here it is, Moto G. So what's the idea that we can get that this phone is Android? How we can say that this phone is Android? First of all, when you press the button, the power button, the lock screen is like this, and from there you can see that the phone is Android. Also it has the pattern lock screen also, and with that also you can say the phone is Android, and you can unlock it by sliding it like this. So now the phone is open. So after that, usually in the Google phone, that is a pure example of the Android, there is a multitasking tray on the right hand side. Here it is, multitasking tray, which is a very good feature of the Android, and it makes the users need go butter very smooth. This Moto G is the example of the stock Android. is the example of the stock Android. Now it's available in India. So you know the Samsung has the Android, but it's not the stock Android. You can take the example of the bread. If you put a jam on the bread, it's called bread jam, and when you put the butter on the bread, it's bread butter. The base is same, the bread is same, but only the layers are different. Same is the case with this. Android is same, only its UI is different. It has stock and the Samsung is different. That I will explain in the another video. So let's get to the settings. Now in settings you can see the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth tethering, Wi-Fi tethering. You want to share your internet. All these options are available in the Android, and still these options are not available in the Windows Phone properly. And that's also the new option, that is the printing, is also available in many phones. Now let's go to about phone, and this phone has the Android version 4.4.2. that's the KitKat. And you will thinking, is the first version? No, it's the latest one. The first version was the Cupcake or the Android AP level 1, 2. You can see the names of the every Android version in the description or in the screen. Here it is, KitKat. You can see the KitKat. Every Android has its speciality. Like KitKat has this, Ice Cream Sandwich has another, etc. So this is the Android, this is Google, and this is Moto G with the stock Android from the Google. Thank you very much for watching.